Hi everyone, this is May here from It's a Miracle Fashion, and today I'm gonna show you what my husband got me for my birthday. It's actually an early birthday gifts. My birthday is in May, that's why my name is May. And while I was there, I made sure that I grabbed something for me, of course, and of course without my husband it's not gonna be good. Roll band tease kiss. This is actually not a new purse. This is a purse. Yes, it's a Prada, but I got it repaired in New York through the Saks. It is because this one right here was lifted. It was going this way, so I wanted to make it look good, and they polished it inside. Everything looks good and looks shiny. The most special one, I would say. Look at that packaging. That packaging is so cute, don't you think?
It's decent.
And Prada. Yep. And then when you open it, oh my gosh, it's snug. It's like that. Then go open. Jaran! You know what this is?
Ooh, a small wallet.
No, it's my AirPod case. This is so cool because when you put your AirPod right here, you can just like snap in right on the side. There you have it. Isn't it that trendy? Thank you guys. Bye. New phone, iPhone 12 Pro Max through AT&T.
Ready?
Good!